Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to reset your Deriv MT5 login password so you can regain access to your trading account quickly and securely. Whether you have forgotten your password or just want to update it, the process is straightforward. On MetaTrader 5, all we need to do is click the three lines in the upper left corner of the menu. From there, we just need to click on your account. At the top of the options, we then select this option. A pop-up window will appear, and we will see that we can change the password here. Once we click this, the password will be reset to whatever we choose. We can then enter the new password here. When we are done, we simply click Change Password. And that is how we reset a Deriv MetaTrader 5 login password in just a few easy steps. We can now access the account and continue trading without any issues.